Good morning mga kalods. So for today's vlog po, we're here on one of my customer. I'm checking this new model of Samsung fully automatic washing machine. So this is the latest model. This one have two option, one for the main wash and one for the small clothes top here. See, as you can see, if you want to wash your small clothes, you can put it here. But I already checked it. This washing machine have a problem. There's a lot of sounds while it's spinning. You see, you can hear the sounds that's come from the bearing itself. See, there's a lot of sounds. It's like humming. It's a humming sounds. So this is the problem from the bearing inside the inner and the outer bearing. Good morning mga kalods. So ito po yung naging problema niya. So there's a humming sounds coming from the center bearing inside and outer. You see there's a play from the drum itself. You can see there's a big play. You see that? This machine is almost like 5 years or 4 years around. So they complain about the sounds when it's spinning. So for me, this is a costly trouble. So they will approximately around 3,000 to 4,000 real to replace all the parts inside. So when you're going to replace this one, you need to remove all the front cover, the back cover of the drum. So for me, maybe it's not reliable or it's not practical to replace because it costs me a lot. So you need to tell to the customer if he agree or no.